Show it up there first. All right, folks. Hey, it's Friday, our final day of our Employee Appreciation Week, day 5. We're here at the great Hampton Inn here in St. Robert, Missouri. Let's go in and see what the team's got. So today, as we culminate the week activities, we've had a lot of support and a lot of great stuff. What's today, girls?
High Five Friday.
High Five Friday. What do we do on Fridays around here?
High Five.
High five, absolutely. So let's go into the room. We'll do some drawings. Sorry, you got to look at the back of my head. Who do we have in here?
Woo!
Judy, Tanya, Faye.
Yes,
sir. What's today?
High Five Friday.
Boom, boom. Welcome to the Hampton Inn. Tanya's our team lead here in the housekeeping world, and really a universal employee. She does about everything. Fig's our maintenance engineer, and again, he leads a lot of things too. He's also an Army veteran and retired from the Army. So appreciate your service, Fig.
Thank you, sir.
Tanya, I appreciate everything you've done for our company. I appreciate you. And you won earlier this week,
Yes,
didn't you?
woo!
What'd you win?
Bone barrel. I'm so excited.
That's awesome. Awesome.
So excited.
So the week, you guys think the week's been pretty good?
It's been so awesome.
Awesome. Beautiful weather and everything.
Awesome.
Well, you know, for the last 18 months, our company's been at the front lines of working hard. You guys, there's no teleworking in the hospitality business, and you guys have been here every day, cleaning, making a safe environment for our guests, making sure that not only did they feel safe, but they were safe. And you guys have kept yourselves safe, and I appreciate everything you've done. So thanks for not only being on the team, but making a difference. All right? Have an awesome day.
Thank you, you too.
All right. Trevor,
What's up?
come on in.
I am.
We have with us Trevor Garcia,
Hey, guys.
our general manager for the Hampton Inn.
Let's slide over these.
Trevor, great week this week. I appreciate leadership of all the managers here in the company. So our employees wanted to do a T-shirt, and they picked the logo. I don't know if you can see this, but I thought it was pretty cool. So they did, our company is better than yours. They're pretty proud of who we are and what we represent. And then on the back, we did a deal with all the sponsors for the week, and we sure thank everybody for making sure that our team's got some great prizes and great appreciation this week. I know each hotel has done different things at lunch and stuff, but let's do some drawings. So let's start out with a Colton's gift card. $25.
Miss Amber Lawrence.
All right,
Hey,
Amber.
congratulations, Amber.
Congratulations, Amber. We got Good Samaritan of the Ozarks gift certificate for $25 for the thrift store.
Rick Morris.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Rick's name's not in here.
Nope.
Shea Wilson.
All right,
Hey, nice.
Shay, congratulations.
If they all said Rick, that would be kind of...
Yeah, that would be hokey, wouldn't it? However, you know we lead from the front, and there are no managers in this deal because we, again, want our employees to get all this kudos.
All right. Shayla Arnold.
All right,
Hey,
Sheila,
nice.
so you get Freddy's Freddy's Steak Burgers gift cards for 4. That's
Yes,
awesome.
technically it is gift burgers, right?
Yeah, gift burgers.
Yeah.
All right, B&B Theaters. So $25. So you get a bag of popcorn, small, $25 gift. I'm just kidding.
Mr. Lamberto Figueroa.
Oh,
Hey!
Big was just here. All right, congratulations, Big.
Let's see.
Let's do another B&B.
Kristen Blakesley.
All right.
Hey, nice, Kristen.
Fairfield Inn. Cool. And she just celebrated an anniversary with us.
So that's from Next Home. They donated for money for the T-shirts, and that's Walmart gift card.
And how much is this for?
$25.
25. Oh, duh. 25.
Jordan Gaylord.
All
Nice.
right. Thanks,
Congratulations,
Jordan. Appreciate you, Jordan. And Freddy's. Another 4.
Mr. Matthew German.
All right.
Hey, congratulations,
Matthew.
Matt.
Congratulations, Matt. All right, so now we got some big ones, right? So here's the cool thing. So look at this, Michelle. So 54 employees, right? 54 took time out of their week and did they did the tic-tac-toe and again, so we talked a little bit about this earlier in the week, but do a good deed, tic-tac-toe with your boss, tag us in a post on Facebook. Again, I can't read it, but
It's all right.
what does that say? My something at work, or what? Can you read it?
Play a game at work.
play a game. So I need glasses too.
Okay.
Okay,
I
so
think Michelle does too, apparently.
Trevor. Yeah. So we're gonna.
$50 Target gift card.
That was from Diversey.
Oh, Target. I love Target.
Yes,
All right.
thank you guys for
Mix
playing.
this up. $50 Target gift card.
$50.
Woohoo.
Don't look at it. All right. So let's see.
And the winner is.
The winner is Susan Lewis.
Woohoo,
Susan L, that's what I'm
Susan!
All
Great
right.
job.
Hey, congratulations, team. And do we have one more?
This is a big one.
Yes.
$200 Canary donated Amazon gift card.
Awesome. $200 Amazon gift card. And where's the?
The bucket.
Yep.
Shake the bucket.
Hey, I do.
Shaky, shaky.
All right, I'm mixing these up more.
All right. If it says Rick Morris, Michelle, or Judy, you'll do every count.
Or Trevor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, good. We'll go.
Parker. Trevor.
Oh. Keelan.
All right, Keelan Scott.
Hey,
All
good
right,
job,
congratulations, Keelan. Again, another Army veteran and a superstar from the mainstay. Congratulations. Hey, it's been a great week, and we talked a little bit about it at the start. I know, you know, this week's about our people, and that's what makes us awesome. That's what makes our company what it is. You know, our people. Just a quick shout out to the employees. Thanks for what you do. Thanks for what you've done to get us through the last 18 months. You guys have been rock stars. I personally think that well, and I know for a fact that we couldn't have done what we did without your hard work, your loyalty, and your commitment, not only to the company and who we are as Fort Wood Hotels by Earhart Properties, but you know, for concern for the guests and their safety. So thanks, and I know one thing: the best is yet to come. Have a great week.